sila. Of course, we have Hermie, we have Miss Ken, we have Elle, Grace, and Neri, and everybody else I can see here wearing that pin that I want the most. I will not leave IKEA Philippines today without that pin. I speak to, and then you can also put the flag of the Philippines and US for English and Bisaya and Kapampangan. I speak that as well. Again, maraming salamat. Maligayang Pasko po sa inyong lahat. A few reminders. At kung gusto nyo ma-achieve ang ating beautiful setups mula IKEA, we have free planning consultations at the IKEA Planning Studio. You can get expert help in planning and designing your dream space totally free of charge. Again, ulitin ko po free of charge yan. You only have to pay a reduced cost for the first installation. And for those who live in northern Metro Manila, we also have open IKEA Plan and Order Studio at Trinoma Mall, Quezon City. Kaya after this event, feel free to drop by at any of these studios and start turning your holiday home goals into reality. We're now also distributing your very special event giveaways. Nakita ko kanina and wow, kahit ako, muntik ko nang kunin. Sorry na po sa aking IKEA Philippines family, pero hindi kasi ako nakapagpa-stamp. At prerequisite yun, kailangan kompleto ang inyong mga stamps, correct? Tama naman po, ano? And I hope you get to enjoy it as soon as you get back home and try to cook the food na niluto po kanina nila Mitch, Mama Grace, and also Ikoy. And of course, please do present your Christmas cards with all 4 stamps to our BA so you can claim your gift, and upon claiming it, make sure that you get your 5th stamp. Sana po ay nabusog kayo ang inyong mga tummies, ang inyong mga puso, ang inyong mga mata sa lahat ng mga nakita natin ngayon, and I truly appreciated being able to have spent this beautiful holiday time with you here at IKEA Philippines. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan na marami tayong Paskong pasabog that you surely don't want to miss. And now, ito po ay magtatapos na tayo. Sana po nag-enjoy tayo sa ating Flavors of Home Festival by IKEA. And if you want to be able to share your content for today, please use the hashtag IKEA Flavors of Home. Again, that's hashtag IKEA Flavors of Home. At kung nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating festival today, great news! We've also got more activities lined up over the next 3 days. Ito po ang mga mangyayari sa November 7, Friday, live cooking demo, 2 p.m. at the Level 4 Live Kitchen. I believe that was the kitchen that we were in kanina, correct? It's the same one. Okay. Food and kitchen storage workshop. We all need that. Dahil alam naman natin na ang kusina natin by the end of the year, kung ano-ano na ang nakalagay. Let's learn how to organize and edit our kitchen. Yan po ay mangyayari sa 4 p.m. Level 4 Sustainability Room, also on November 7, Friday. Everyday Kitchen Tools Workshop, 6:30 p.m. Again, Friday, November 7, Level 4 Cook Shop area. And if you are in doubt at hindi niyo po alam kung saan niyo makikita yan, you can always approach anybody who looks amazing in that IKEA uniform, and you would know where to go. On November 8 naman po, Saturday, Serving and Plating Workshop. Uy, parang gusto natin yun, Okay, a-attend ako dun. Nandiyan ako. 2 p.m. at Level 4 Live Kitchen. Table Setting Workshop, 4 p.m. at Level 4 Showroom Dining Area. Table Seating Solutions Workshop. I love this, IKEA. Grabe naman, these workshops are all for free? Wow, okay. 6:30 p.m. that's happening. Table Seating Solutions Workshop, Level 4 Showroom Dining Area. Again, November 8, Saturday. November 9, Sunday, if you want to bring your family, it's family day. You can watch and attend the workshops together. Live cooking demo, 2 p.m. at Level 4 Live Kitchen. Coffee Basics and Essentials Workshop. Sino mahilig sa kape dito? Yan. Can't live without the caffeine, ha? 4 p.m. Level 3 Cook Shop Area. Table Seating Solutions Workshop, 6:30 p.m. Level 4 Sustainability Room. Apart from all these, of course, reminder po, starting today, meron tayong IKEA Kitchen promo. This is amazing. For a minimum of 50,000 pesos purchase, you get a 10% rebate. Memorize ko na. Tamo, lahat ng nakakuha ko na. Pag ito talaga, naka 50,000 ako, meron akong rebate ng 5,000 pesos, correct? And that's only until December 17. Okay. Plus, we have even more exciting IKEA promos coming your way. Please visit ikea.ph. Again, if you don't have the time, you can go online. Wala tayong taka sa IKEA dahil we are online, ikea.ph or our official social media platforms at meron pong sasagot sa inyo dyan. For IKEA family members, and it's so easy to be an IKEA family member, you can just approach anybody. Free po yan. You will also get notified about our exclusive offers, special discounts, including our upcoming December promos. So make sure to keep an eye out. And don't forget, kanina we were just talking about a 39 peso worth of dinnerware. You cannot imagine ganon ka-affordable and yet high quality only from IKEA Philippines. And bago po tayo magtapos, huwag natin kalimutan what this day is really all about. This day is all about IKEA cooking and eating range na laging nandyan po para gawing espesyal at mas espesyal pa ang handaan at salo-salo natin at ang ating mga minamahal sa buhay ngayong Pasko. Again, thank you again for joining us all. I really appreciate you staying with us, being with us in all of the stations, and I know that you will enjoy even more ang mga uwi po natin from IKEA Philippines. This has been Flavors of Home, a festival by Only IKEA.